If you're watching this video, then you're probably a water system operator who already knows of the EPA's mandate to do a lead service line inventory by October of 2024. Diamond Maps has some new features to help you both record your inventory and generate a report matching the exact requirements of the EPA or your specific state. This video summarizes how this works. The first step is to create a layer on your map to mark the locations of each service. If you already have a layer marking your water meters, curb stops, or actual service lines, then use it. We don't recommend creating a separate layer for this inventory if you already have a layer marking each service. Next, we need to add some special fields to your water services layer for recording the results of your inventory. We have some pre-built templates to help you do this. You can choose either the EPA form or a state-specific form, and Diamond Maps will add those required fields into your existing map layer. If your state has a state-specific form not shown here, then let us know as soon as possible and we'll get yours added to our list of templates. These setup steps are described in more detail in part 2 of this video series. You're now ready to start recording the results of your inventory work. To do this, click on a service, scroll down to the lead service inventory fields that we just added, and record your findings. Your form will be pre-built with the pick lists and instructions to help you comply with the requirements of your specific form. You can also enter your information in batch. For example, if you know all the homes in this subdivision were built in the 90s, then you can select them all with a box and assign information to the whole selection at once. And Diamond Maps can color code all your services to help you see your progress. Part 3 of the video series goes into more detail about this recording of your inventory. Lastly, Diamond Maps can export your lead service line inventory data directly into the exact spreadsheet required by your regulatory agency. The first time you run the export, Diamond Maps will ask you which fields from your map layer correspond to which pieces of information required by your report. Your data will get placed directly into the appropriate spreadsheet template, complete with any special calculations or formatting, and an error report is generated warning you of any missing data or incorrect values. Part 4 of this video series goes into more detail about how to generate this report. For more information or to see an outline of these instructions, go to diamondmaps.com/lead.